3 weeks ago, precisely on the 19th day of December, I made a video calling for a buy opportunity on EURJPY at this point and telling us in the video that we will be targeting 159.13, which was about 300 plus pips from the point of our entry. And surely the market has done pretty well to reach the target we anticipated. We were able to hit our target with this candle. So what next from here? That is exactly what I'll be doing in this video, to show you how I'll be trading this currency pair, because there is still a massive opportunity in it. We still have about 300 plus pips from where we are now. So here is what is ahead of us in this currency pair. So long as we maintain this structure here and this low is intact, our next target is 162.12 area. That is where we are going next. So you can take advantage of this for a 300 pip profit from where the price is right now. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.